Yusuf, the world-famous woman, today is known for her immense qualities. What an individual she has been in today's world. A girl of impeccable personalities. What if she comes to you and talk to you now? Here she is.
Hi everyone, I am here to declare a small portion of Malala's speech, and that goes like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in the name of God, most merciful, the most beneficent. Dear sisters and brothers, today is a day great happiness for me. I am humbled that the Nobel Committee has selected me for this precious award. I would like to thank my parents for their unconditional love. Thank you to my father for not clipping my wings and letting me fly. Thank you to my mother for inspiring me to be patient and always speak the truth, which we strongly believe that's a real message of Islam. I am very proud to be the first Pakistani and first youngest person to receive this award. I am also glad that we can show the world that an Indian and Pakistani can stay united in peace and work for children's rights. This award is not just for me, it's for those 7 million children who are deprived of education